It's called yoga.
We got the chiropractor coming in.
Literally what you just said.
It's intense though, you know.
Is it?
Ain't no
Chiro work.
We'll go.
Is it though?
Come on, please.
Okay.
I'm about to say, because I know a dude that.
Buy a mat.
They gonna tell you Breaking Bad.
Okay.
They gonna tell you Breaking Bad. I can tell you that right now. Because I know dude that's in it.
I want to shop for life.
You gonna be in there with them old white women.
You want a what?
Shop for life.
You gonna be in there with them old white women, bro. Because that's all that's in there. Them white women in there ain't nothing but
Networking. I'm all white women though.
they ain't networking nothing. They in there trying to keep their man.
They too.
Nah, you ain't in it.
They gotta do something all day
Yeah,
long.
you ain't in it.
They ain't doing nothing but going to brunches and fundraisers.
Tattoo artists come to the chiropractor.
That's all that man ain't doing.
I bet.
Ooh, let's see what you been up to.
I ain't gonna even lie, bro. I've been waiting on this.
There you go.
Crank it up then,
Yep. Somebody been on their feet a lot. Yep. Tell all that. Alright, went down them toes. Now we're gonna get down.
Be safe, girl. Thank you.
Bye, y'all.
All right.
Have a good day.
Ooh, what? Hey.
That was a good one.
Yeah, that was a neck. That was definitely his neck.
Ooh.
That was definitely his neck. That in there too. Teeth together. There you go.
I can't wait to do some tattoos now. I feel loose as a goose. No diddy. Nah, for real though. We need the tattoo community to tap in, man. It's gonna make your back feel better, your whole body. Ah. Woo!
Why, man?
Look at it. Look what you're going through. Nah, for sure.
why
All
you-
that hunching over and bending over.
Why
all
you
that.
doing it to yourself?
Yeah, for sure.
The benefits.
The benefits. Then go to doctor. What's the benefits, doctor?
I mean, muscles relaxation, better posture,
Yeah.
sleeping better, breathing
That's his
better.
doctor voice, y'all.
Is it?
He said relaxation, breathing better. Nah, for real. We grateful for Dr. Peete, man.
Hey, I mean, heck, you
And the other chiropractors in the world too, but we extra grateful for Dr. Peete. The chiropractic community as a whole.
I'm just done. So trying to crown me as the best in the damn city.
I agree.
Help that.
Like I said, I think I'm good, but that's it. I'm just good.
Hey, but on some real stuff though, like how can anybody like get in contact with you for an appointment?
Fucking hit me up on Instagram, Facebook, or also on the website www.redchiro.com. That is redchiro.com.
What red stand for? That's your favorite color?
Nah.
Oh,
Well, red is my favorite color, but I ain't got nothing to do with that.
okay.
The reason why I came with red because when you get adjusted, there's three things that's happening. One, when you get adjusted, your body is resetting. And then it starts to evaluate what the hell just happened to it. And then it starts to discover what it really can do.
Red.
So
I didn't
that's
even know
what
that.
red-
No, that's hard. This nigga Kendrick Lamar.
Everybody,
Nah, that's hard.
Everybody asked me like, man, how you come up with that? I said, believe it or not, I actually dreamed the whole damn thing.
For real?
The whole damn thing.
Oh, that's hard.
Turn this way, told me on your side.
That's hard. That jump popped already.
Yep, that's how tight she is.
Ooh,
It's more than that. There you go.
I know about
Woo-wee. YouTube, call the police.
Police.
It might be too late by the time we post this video. But. Woo!
Is that the police?
I have been walking in the morning though.
Okay.
That ain't stretching, but mentally it feels great.
Nah, of course it's gonna feel mentally great. That's
Yeah.
how you got blood flowing.
And then now that I'm getting older, bro, I'm feeling them walks. That's the crazy part.
I mean, you ain't using the muscles like you did when you was younger. So what you
Nigga,
think
the
of it?
walk feel like 2 days at nah, that's cap. All right.
That makes sense.
Listen, then when I was saying it wrong. If you walk for like 2 or 3 days in the morning, by that third day, it feel like you at least been to the gym at least one full day. As far as like how a nigga body feel.
I take that.
As far as like soreness,
Yeah.
you feel me?
That's
Okay.
Yeah,
especially when we not stretching.
I'll let
exactly.
I'll let you have that one.
I know for sure. I realize how engaging it is, like for my abdomen area. As far as walking, you can feel them joints being engaged, your abs and shit like that.
I mean, that's how you keep abs when you older.
How many miles do you?
It don't be a lot, food. I just probably about 20 minutes, 20, 30 minutes around the block.
He sound like me when I'm on the step.
Yeah, about a mile and a half or 2. Yeah, nothing crazy.
He sound like me.
Now when
on
I
the step.
be on my bike, I get crazy. We do like 20 miles on the bike, easy.
But
I do not understand how y'all do 20 miles on a bike.
But it's too
it's
easy.
easy.
And
don't
then
understand.
I'm on a little cheap Walmart bike. I ain't even on no
The fancy.
one of them good $3,000 bike. My bike was $100, cool.
All that matters.
Man, me and Kiki be, nigga, we rode from Macon, where the Green Mile start in Cordova, all the way to that junk go all the way to Binghamton, to Census, the backside of Census.
Dang.
Yeah, that's like 17 miles.
Good.
Then you gotta come back.
I was about to say you gotta go back.
Yeah.
When y'all park the truck.
You bet.
At the
Park the
You
truck.
said pre-park the truck.
Do you take off?
man.
He's like, have somebody pre-park the truck for me.
Your truck and park my car over. Take the car, leave the truck.
Right.
Nah.
It's too crazy.
Went up to the Agri Center today, fool. Get some more info. We more than likely gonna be running Inkfest at the Agri Center next year.
Okay.
Yeah.
Pin drop.
About their time.
That's it, pin drop.
Y'all just heard it. Exclusive.
No, for sure.
That may say exclusive.
2 days. Saturday-
2 days.
Saturday,
He ain't gonna do
Sunday.
1 day. He gonna do 2.
Exclusive.
Yeah, we trying to crank it up a little bit.
We're gonna
You
do
can do it for sure.
We're gonna do a 2-day event.
We need somebody to start performing.
That's
It's a festival.
all you missing
Tapped
now.
in.
That's all you missing
We
now.
already tapped in.
It's all day.
They tapped in.
Yeah, we already tapped in.
He's like, we gonna have somebody perform.
We trying to put the fest. We got the ink part. Now we rolling the fest part.
Fest part.
Yeah,
Okay.
It's a thing for sure.
100%.
I'm not saying it ain't a thing.
We got great man people involved. So anybody in the internet world, these voices and people you hearing will be at Inkfest and have been. They stamped.
Come on up.
Oh,
Exclusive.
This jump right there. There you go. There you go. Why is it that everybody want to fight? Every time I do that move, bruh. Every time, bruh.
Feel different after that one.
I understand it, but why that make you want to hit something though?
you right. Damn.
Like it be making you want to do it. I'm like,
I don't
damn.
know why it's like that.
It only be dudes. It's only the dudes. It ain't never the female though. It ain't never the female. It's always the dudes. That's what be getting me.
You said this like for sinuses or something like that?
Mm-hmm. There we go.
Whoa.
Nigga. Alright, bro, you good to go, bro.
Appreciate it. Damn.
This man.
Changing.
That man instantly. God damn. Not the dance though.
I feel like Victor Cruz in it, motherfucker. Yeah. Reset, evaluate. What was determination?
Discover. Nobody said determination.
Determination. I made some shit up.
Nobody said discover, bro. Discover.
Yeah, man. Appreciate it, fella.
Sure.
Put that in my car, Peete.